Traders, welcome to Price Action Real Traders. Today I'm going to show you how to identify engulfing zone in consolidation area. So this is part 8 on how to identify engulfing zone in consolidation area. So you can see here, this is the consolidation area. I place my trade put option because you see engulfing not unfolded, another engulfing not unfolded here. Then I place my trade immediately here because of this pattern here. So this is the full back, but it has touched this Bollinger Band. So I will wait now. I will place put option here because this is the first full back here. If you see this trend here, only here you can see first full back. So here is the retracement of this full back. So market must go down. I check this trend. I can see here, you see full back, first full back. So here market must go down, even though market is doing some panic, but here market definitely will go down because here is the retracement of this full back. So that's why I place my trade. You see market is going down strongly. So if market break here, you see here, this is continuation. So if I get higher entry point, I will place put option. If I get higher, I will place put option here. Yes, you see I get higher entry point, but bad entry point, but no problem, market must go down because this is the full back, very strong full back. You see, very strong pull back. I know market must go down. So market is going down because I know this is the retracement of this full back. You see, winning trade. So here this is hammer continuation. Market must go down. Continuation of this full back, market must go down. Definitely market must go down because of this hammer, even though it has rejected from this bias area, but this candle will not be green, so it must be red candle. You see, this is winning trade again. So here this is like news, maybe it's news. So you see I took total 4 trades, quick trades with engulfing zone and market analysis. So let me pause, I will come and explain. Sorry. Okay, so let me explain. But here you see This is not consolidation area. You see here, so here I will place call option. So I place my trade call option here because this is the continuation, and if you can see here, this is not full back from here because you see multiple touch. See market touch here multiple time, touch this 20 MA multiple time, means market is trying to break this 20 MA right now. So that's why I place my trade here, call option. You see, very nice entry point. You see, we have 11 seconds. And you see market's coming down, but I know it must go up. You see, this is winning trade. So you see, I took total 5 trade quickly with market analysis, with the engulfing zone, consolidation area strategy. So here, this is my first trade here. You see here what you can see. Always, as I was telling you, you see engulfing here, not unfolded, another engulfing, not unfolded, then market here, you see it goes down. So here you're supposed to place your trade, put option here. So that's why I place my trade immediately here, put option, because of these two engulfing which are not unfolded. This is the consolidation engulfing zone. Then the next trade here, this is the market analysis. This is the market analysis here. Why is market analysis? I look at this trend, very strong momentum here, then market comes back here, and this is the reversal pattern engulfing. When you see hammer continuation, but market retrace back. So I know definitely here is not this is retracement. This is retracement. It's not reversal. Market is not reversing here. So that's why I know market is going down. That's why I place my trade, put option here immediately. Because market has, this is the fullback from 20, 50, and sorry, from 150, then railway track fake breakout of 20 and 200. So I know it's very, very strong. So that's why after this retracement, immediately I place my trade to option. Then I waited for one more candle, which is this hammer. Okay, I place my trade here inside this hammer as well, because after this candle, you see this rejection from this 20 MA. I know it's continuation because of this spinning top. This spinning top showed that market is going down. So then I place my trade immediately. This spinning top in confluence with engulfing candle, then I know market is going down. That's why I place my trade put option immediately. Then the next candle as well, I place put option. You see, I took three trades in a row in the same, in one candle, in three candles, one by one. I took one trade here because of the full back, this retracement. Then I took one, I placed my trade again here because of this spinning top in confluence with engulfing. Then I place continuation because of this hammer showed that market is continue. Then I place my trade put option again, and the last trade here, you see, after I watch here, I watch this market analysis here, I see market is going up here. That's why I place my trade immediately, call option here. Why? Because if you watch at this area, if you look it very well, after breakout of this 20 MA, even this 20 MA is fake breakout. So after this fake breakout, you see this is the fullback, another fullback here, another pullback. So here market couldn't create lower low, then market reverse here. So here after this spinning top, I know market is going up. That's why I place my trade immediately here with good entry point. You see, very quick trades today. Maybe within 7 minutes I took total 5 trades, because 1 2 3 4 5, yes, I took total 5 trades within 7 minutes with the engulfing zone and the consolidation and the market analysis. So you see here, so here you see this is the engulfing zone here, because this is downtrend retracement engulfing, not unfolded, then evening star here, not unfolded. So you can place your trade here, and you can wait here again. If market comes to this zone, you can place your trade inside. If market close inside here, you can place your trade as well. You see, market close inside, you can place your trade. Market break, you can place your trade. So this strategy is very, very simple. And here as well, this is another engulfing consolidation area. You see, this is uptrend retracement engulfing, not unfolded, another engulfing, not unfolded. So here you can place your trade call option here. In this situation, you can place your trade call option here. As soon as you see rejection, you can place your trade. So it's very, very simple. This is the end of this video. If you like this video, please like it, share, comment. I will say thank you. Bye bye.